Okay, students, we are in the last video lecture of the unit 2 planning. So already we have discussed various discussion in the planning, what is called as planning, how it is important, and what is the various planning process, what are the steps to be taken, and what is the goal setting, how they are implemented by using the planning, and then what is the meaning of strategic planning and how it is utilized for the group activities of achieving the company or organizational target. Today we are going to discuss about the topic decision making, how it is very much helpful to the organization in selecting the particular decision from the various alternatives. Yeah. ஏன் என்ன போலாமா இல்லை போகலன்னா நீ சும்மா இது பண்ணாலும் கிளம்பு இல்லை ஹீட்டர் போட்டு குளிக்கிறதுனாலும் குளி. Decision making step. So recognizing need for a decision. Without making any decision, we may not run the company effectively. So there are so many steps in taking any decision. First thing is recognize need for a decision. Managers must first realize the need for which a decision must be made. Need for decision making steps. Frame the problem. So first we have to frame the problem. What is the root cause, what is the reason, or how, what are the various factors affecting the or creating the problem. So based on this we have to select the decision. Frame the problem. Managers must frame the problem for which decision is to be made. So simply we may not frame. First we have to analyze what is the reason, what is the causes, factors affecting the decision. Third one is the generate and assess alternative. So for the particular problem, you have to analyze the problem and select the various solutions for this. That is alternative solution. Each and every alternative solution has their own way of output. So generate alternative. Managers must develop feasible alternative courses of action. If good alternative or missed, the resulting decision is poor. It is how to develop creative alternatives. So managers need to look out for the new thing. Choose among the alternative. So the manager has to analyze in deep and choose the best one from the various alternative. Decision making, managers rank alternative and decide. While ranking, all information need to be considered. Implementation of the chosen alternative. Then on is they have to select the suitable one from the various alternative and take steps to implement the decision in the organization process. Implement chosen alternative. Managers must now carry out the alternative. Learn from the feedback. So get the feedback by implementing the best alternative. If it is suitable, we can continue. Otherwise, we have to once again change the decision, which will decision making step. Managers should consider what went right or wrong with the decision and learn from the future. For the future. Without feedback, managers never learn from the experience, might repeat the same mistake. Evaluating the alternative. So, evaluating the alternative is a big process in which is the possible courses of action, legal, ethical, economical, practical. So, you have to consider all the things. Is it legal? Manager must be first sure that an alternative is legal both in the country and the abroad for experience. Expert. Is it ethical? The alternative must be ethical and not hurt stakeholders unnecessarily. Is it economical? And then cognitive biases. Suggest decision makers use heuristics to the bounded rationality. A systematic error can result from use of an incorrect selection. These error will appear on overall. Type of cognitive biases, Freer hypothesis, representativeness, illusion of control, escalating commitment. What are the types of cognitive? Prior hypothesis, managers allow strong prior detailed belief about the relationship. Escalating commitment, managers has already committed considerable resources to project and then commit more than the requirement. Group decision making, many decisions are made in a group setting. Group tend to reduce the cognitive biases and can call on the combined skill and abilities. Group think based on decision making resulting from the group members striving the group. Improved group decision, devil advocacy, dialectical inquiry, promote diversity. Devil advocatory, one member of the group acts as a devil advocate, devil's advocacy and versus dialectic inquiry. presentation of alternative, alter 1, alter 2, critique of alternative, organization learning and creativity. Organization learning, managers seek to improve members' ability to understand the organization and the environment so as to raise the effectiveness. Creativity is the ability of the decision maker to discover novel ideas leading to the post. Organization principle. It encourages system thinking, develop personal mastery, build complex challenges. So creating learning organization. Top managers follow several steps to build in learning: personal mastery, mental model, team learning, build a shared vision, system thinking. Individual creativity. Organization can build environmental supportive of creativity. Many of these issues are same as for the learning organization. Managers must provide employees with the ability to take risk. If people take the risk, they will occasionally fail. Thus, to build brain group creativity, brainstorming, managers meet face to face to generate and debate many alternatives. Group members are not allowed to evaluate alternatives until all alternatives are listed. Production blocking is a potential problem with the brainstorming. Building group creativity. Nominal group technique provides a more structured way to generate alternative in writing. Delphi technique provides for a written format without having all manager meet face to face. Delphi allows distance manager to participate. So with this, we are completing the unit 2 video lectures on planning. So if you have any queries on this topic, what we have discussed in the 5 video lectures, we can raise your questions. So in the forthcoming video lectures, we will pass on to the next unit U3, that is organizing. From the next video lecture onwards, we will discuss on this. So in this, if you have any questions, you can raise your questions now.